right? Organization is compliant doesn't mean it's secure. So what is happening when we create the security control? We assume the user behavior, which is the ideal behavior. User will not click on the button. User will follow the process, the policy, everything. But in reality, when someone is in hurry, some emergency situation has been created, or someone has in pressure or stress, they click on the link and they approve on the link, and that's where the security breach happens. I have seen one of the organization which is recently ISO 27001 certified and SOC 2 certified, and every policy control everything on the place, and leadership is on confident that our organization is secure. We have all the security control in place. But on the Friday evening, some mail came, and it was the phishing mail. One senior employee of the company has clicked on that mail and approved that. Okay, so he was thinking that it is some routine mail, but it was the phishing mail. That's where thing has been started to break. So real, it is not that you develop policy, you develop control, and you assume that user will, follow the ideal behavior. It is users' behavior need to be considered when the controls is not breached in terms of pressure or some emergency situation. So people's behavior need to be understood into developing any kind of policy or control.